Arms up.
Put your arms up.
Arms up.
Mom,
Pretty good, McKelty.
Mom, can you put
Arms
Yes,
down.
I can.
Put your arms down. Go ahead. Put your arms down.
Mouth.
mouth?
Hayden can open his mouth. Now you open your mouth.
Wave.
Wave.
We are waving to you.
Can you wave to us?
Can you say,
Dog. Dog.
dogs love to play.
McKelty, can you say dog?
Playing with his toy.
Dog.
Kelty, can you say dog?
Dog.